5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2. Penguins of the world unite. Strength in numbers, we can get it right. One time.
Okay guys, as you can see, I've already got my base on because it's just quicker if I start with this on. So, first thing I'm going to be taking today is the Juvia'sPlace Zulu palette by Juvia'sPlace. The Zulu palette by Juvia'sPlace. Oi, oi. These are so beautiful. So, I know I want to do a yellow eye, but I'm not quite sure what I want to do with my yellow eye, if that makes any sense. So, I'm just going to start by packing yellow on my eye. Just taking, sorry, dipping into it. I've got a lot on there, that's dangerous. So, it's the first time I've used this yellow as well. I haven't even swatched it. Oh, it seems to be quite sheer. Let's hope this goes on with my powder. It might have benefited me to put down some sort of a liner before I've done this. We're here now, let's see what's going to happen. I'm getting some fallout from this colour. It is actually a tad annoying. What can you expect when you know, packing it on? I do like what we've got here though. I do like what we're going for here. Just dragging that on the lash line now. Okay, I'm gonna do the same on the other eye and I will be right back. So I'm back with both of my eyes on. I like it, I don't know if I love it just yet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish off some more of my face. And then I'm going to come back to these eyes. I don't really want to put a glitter on that. I don't know if I have a yellow glitter. I should have a yellow glitter. But I don't really, because I don't like the matte. I'm liking the matte. I am. Been really into mattes recently. So I'm just going to chisel my cheekbones a bit. Chiseling my cheekbones a bit. I'm just taking my Real Techniques contour brush and my sleek contour palette in the shade medium. There's 3 shades in here, I'm sure I showed you this before. Whoop. Now I'm just gonna highlight my face. Highlight my face. I don't know what I'm gonna use yet. I know I'm gonna, I don't know what to use. I have so many, and I always use the same one. I have so many highlights and I always use the same one. So I'm gonna take my Cleopatra's Kiss palette and I'm gonna take the gold shade. And this is just gonna be my first highlight. I like to lay down this one first because it matches my skin tone so perfectly. Oh, this is just the setting brush, Real Techniques. This was a brush set that came out. And I don't know if it's still on sale, because I can't find it, because I want to buy it again.
Oh yeah, who likes my Body Shop thing? I'm always going to be against animal testing. What? You got a problem with that?
So pretty. Then we're just going to do it over lip, because I'm a penguin, and I always want my upper lip to look like the Tin Man's butt. Okay, I'm just going to take the MUA Luxe Glow Boom Highlight. I've showed you this one before. Just because it's a little bit more yellowy. I just want a little bit of a kick. I just want a kick, yes I do. This is messy. Woo! There we go. That's so pretty. So I'm just going to take a Magic palette by Juvia'sPlace. and I'm going to look at these beautiful colours. I'm just going to be taking Nubia. It's gorgeous gold colour in the corner. Gorgeous. Oh, and a little Urban Decay Naked Free brush, a little eye brush. I'm going to coat it up. I'm going to coat it up and put it only in the corner of my eye. Oh, yeah. I think this is such a pretty color. I die. I die every time I use this.
You know I forgot to bring my mascara over. You know, that's just something I do as a penguin. As a penguin, we forget things. We forget things that are actually important and should be like easy to remember. As a penguin, we forget things, and it's okay. It's okay. I get it. I get you, and you get me. We forget things. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. We're gonna add some orange now.
I'm just gonna take Zakaya. So, orangey. It's like a coppery colour. Coppery colour. Let me see if there's something I can mix with. Yep, I can mix with this orange. Just dab in. So pouncing that and then blending it sort of upwards into the other. I kind of just want it to be centered into the other. I don't really want it to disrupt the other that much. Do you know what I mean? Charming. Do you know what I mean? Going back in with that yellow blending brush. I'm just gonna try, you know, make it cohesive. You know, why not? Live life on the edge, I always say. This has turned very beautiful. Feels very. God, I'm all the way feeling this. Pinching the brush with the orange and just blowing that hair. Because sometimes in life we haven't got time to pick up a new brush. When you're into it, just go with it. Just go with it. Don't let no one judge you. Don't let no one tell you you're doing something wrong. Because guess what? You're not. You're living life on the damn edge. Nothing wrong with that.
I'm on the edge of glory. I don't know the lyrics.
Okay, so next we're going to put on some mascara, some eyeliner, and I'm going to be right back because I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to see me do that because that's what I've heard. So I'm just going to line my lips with Perfect Eye Lip Liner. Okay, and then I'm going to take the MUA Luxe Velvet Lip Lacquer. This is in the shade Splash. That reminds me of my youth. I really relax that. Now I'm just going to press this on my lips. Oh, it's starting to dry already. I'm so impatient. Okay, then I'm just going to set using my Revolution Makeup Pro Fix Oil Control Setting Spray. Everything on my face bloody dry, girl. And take that yellow brush, dip into Nubia, and just lightly. Oh, there's no light with this product then. Okay, let me take my hair down, and I will be right back. Okay. So this is a finished look, guys. What do you think? What do you think? Take it all in, girl. I love doing this. The only issue I had was that the yellow didn't really show up on me. However, I am yellow, so you know, in the future I will lay it down a base first. I realised I should have done that more or less straight away. But you know me, living life on the edge and that. Wah. Do you like my swatches? If you guys like this video, subscribe down there. Like down there as well. And comment if you want to leave me a comment, girl. Comment if you have any of these palettes. Oh my god, let me know if you've tried them. Because I'm not even gonna lie, they are low-key, high-key amazing. And I'm all there for it. I'm all there for Juvia'sPlace. I'm here for you, girl. Yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys comment to me again soon. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.